Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as we are eagerly waiting for OnePlus to announce their new flagship, we can say in less than 8 days, the OnePlus 10 Pro will be officially introduced in China, during a specially set up event. This high-end smartphone is also expected to arrive in the other countries at the end of March or beginning of April. In recent weeks, a lot has become known about the new flagship of OnePlus. On New Year's Eve, press material also appeared online, in the form of an official video teaser, which means that the design of the 10 Pro has now also been established. In November, the smartphone with its updated camera design was first visualized in 3D renders by OnLeaks. Based on the newly rendered, OnLeaks has adjusted the product image so that the renewed flash design matches perfectly with how the phone will look in reality. Remarkably, OnePlus seems to be releasing only one model this time, the 10 Pro. There does not seem to be a OnePlus 10 this time, probably due to the persistent chip shortages. The new top model will be equipped with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. A punch hole is made in the top left of the screen for the 32MP selfie camera. A triple camera is available on the back, which is placed in a square arrangement together with the flash. The camera island extends to the side of the device. This is remarkable, because this was a very characteristic element of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. The camera configuration is likely to be unchanged, meaning it will include a 48MP main camera, a 50MP ultra-wide camera and an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. Videos can be recorded in 8K resolution. New OnePlus phone will be equipped with a triple camera and a flash. This includes the characteristic Hasselblad logo. The renowned manufacturer of medium-format cameras has been working with OnePlus since the 9 series to take camera quality to a higher level. The smartphone is shown in the colors black and green. Both have a matte finish, as will be the case with the Samsung Galaxy S22 series, which is expected in February and will be a major competitor to the OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. The 5G phone will be powered by the extremely powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Multiple memory variants will be released, 8GB of RAM, 128GB storage and 12GB of RAM with 256GB storage. The OnePlus 10 Pro runs on the Android 12 operating system, with a completely new user interface that combines the familiar OnePlus Oxygen OS and the Color OS interface from Oppo. The new OnePlus smartphone is equipped with an extra powerful battery. It is a 5000 mAh battery that may support 120W fast charging. The OnePlus 10 Pro will be officially announced in China on January 11, 2022. From April 2022, the device will probably also be available in Europe. The OnePlus 9 Pro has a starting price of $1,000. It is in line with expectations that the new model will go on sale for around the same price, although prices in China will undoubtedly be lower. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.